Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix NVIDIA installer failed. First, visit the NVIDIA homepage and then download the latest version of the graphics driver. After download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file. Click on Agree and Continue. Now, select Custom. Select Perform a clean installation, then click Next and follow the instructions. If the error still shows up, don't click on Close. Go to Device Manager. Right-click on Display Adapters, then pick Scan for hardware changes. After that, double-click on Display Adapters. Right-click on NVIDIA Graphics Driver, then pick Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now, choose the version that fails when installing. Click on Next button. At last, if you still can't install NVIDIA driver, then I recommend you to use DDU software to completely uninstall NVIDIA graphics card drivers and packages from your system. To do that, visit the website guru3d.com, then download Display Driver Uninstaller. Open DDU, then follow the instructions. Click on Clean and Restart. After restart is done, visit NVIDIA homepage, then download the latest version of the graphics driver. And install the same as the first method of the video. That's it guys. If nothing works for you, then you may need to remove the graphics card from the motherboard and reattach it. If any other method helps, please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.